Hi everyone. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back to Nanny World, guys. Welcome back to my cooking video. If this is the first time you're on this channel or the first time you're seeing my beautiful face, know that you are highly, highly welcome and appreciated. Okay? So, want to see what I'm going to cook up? Keep it locked. Subscribe, share, comment, like, and put on the notification bell. Now open the video, you'll be the first to see the video. Tonight I'll be cooking some stew chicken. My chicken is already seasoned. Okay, it's already seasoned. Yes. I have some leftover baked macaroni in the fridge. I'm gonna warm it up in the oven. Sorry, in the oven. Yes, it's in the oven. I'm gonna warm it up, and then we're gonna have it with our chicken stew. So keep it locked. And guys, I add a secret ingredient into this. Want to know what it is? Sit back, relax, and enjoy Nanny World. This is my pot. I'm going to turn on the stove. I had a wonderful day at work today. I'm working tomorrow again. I'm off Tuesday, and I'll be working Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and I'm off Saturday and Sunday and back work on Tuesday. Now I'm gonna add some oil into the pot. Not much, about so. And I'm gonna add pieces of the chicken. I'm adding little water. Oh boy, that smells good already, guys. That smells wonderful already. I'm gonna cover this, let it cook for 10 minutes, and we'll be right back. Chicken is almost cooked. I'm gonna taste for seasoning. Mm, wow. And on the potato, the onion, garlic, and the red bell pepper. You want to see what a secret ingredient is? Stay tuned, guys. I hadn't added yet. How I'm gonna add it to the last when the potato is fully cooked. I'm gonna add some more water, about this much water. That's the rest of the macaroni and cheese. I'm gonna put it into the oven, guys. Are you guys ready for that secret ingredient? One, two, three. Ta-da! Apples, guys. Apples. We're gonna let this cook again for 5 minutes and then we good, guys. Chicken is cooked. We're gonna turn out the fire, guys. And here it is, guys. Our big macaroni and cheese. Yes, guys. I'm going to serve me a plate. Chicken, guys. Mmm. And that's it, guys. That's dinner for tonight. You wanna taste this? Mmm, mmm, mmm. That's the apple. Oh, oh. This is the best stewed chicken I have ever made. The apple gives it a different flavor. Remember, guys, that's it for tonight's video. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, press the notification bell when I upload the video. You'll be the first to see the video. Until then, stay blessed. Till next time. Bye.